previous video, we mentioned several ways to remove tattoos, among which laser tattoo remover is the most popular. So what are the common questions about laser tattoo remover? Let's talk about it today. What are the implications of tattoo remover? It is personal that you want to have your tattoos removed, but you need to under the side effect or implications that the procedure may bring before you make that decision. The potential dangers of it include, but are not limited to the following. First, a treated part get effective. Second, it takes a long time for the wound of a treated area to get recovered. Third, the procedure may leave unfavorable scars. Fourth, you may need further surgery for the procedure. Fifth, it causes skin discoloration that may last forever. Sixth, it presents a suboptimal result. How to nourish your skin after tattoo removal? After a tattoo removal session, you may experience some side effects such as redness and swelling. Therefore, it's vital for you to care for your skin afterwards. You can do cold compresses to a treated area after treatment if you feel any discomfort, and you can also apply moisturizer to a targeted area for 2 weeks after a session. If you have blisters following the treatment, you can use a sterile needle to break them. Otherwise, they may become more prominent if you let them heal themselves. Either better rub petroleum jelly into the part and cover it with protection. Do not expose the treated area to the sun, since it may hinder healing. Besides, you need to stay away from the activities below during the healing process. Strenuous exercise, saunas or hot springs, swimming, activities that cause friction. How much does a tattoo remover charge? Based on the data, the average expense of tattoo removal with laser treatment is around $500. However, the cost does not include other unexpected expenses incurred during a session. If you turn to dermabrasion or surgical excision for achieving your purpose, the fee is likely to increase. Therefore, you need to consider what kind of procedures you will rely on to get it done. Moreover, you should know how many types of treatment you need for tattoo removal. A large and sophisticatedly designed tattoo probably needs more sessions. All these factors may add to the cost of tattoo removal. Who is the suitable candidate for tattoo removal? You can remove all kinds of tattoos as long as you desire to have them eliminated, but you need to be physically healthy, do not smoke, and have realistic expectations for tattoo removal.